I need to learn to ask questions as a parent. It is so important. It is so important to pause and ask questions without judgment. Using art forms is to build the child's self-esteem, build the child's image of himself. Automatically self-motivation aa jati hai. Movement is a form of art.
True.
So when we give each other Munna Bhai ka jadoo ki jappi, samjho.
Yeah.
Isn't that a form of art? Isn't that connection? Isn't that therapy? Isn't that all that's required?
Hello and welcome to Imperia Connects. I'm your host Madhvi, and today's episode is about how arts-based therapy can help parents connect with the children in deeper and more meaningful ways. Our guest today is Karen Claire Dilemma, life coach, author, TED speaker, and art-based therapy practitioner with over 25 years of experience in education and emotional well-being. So let's welcome our guest today, Karen. Hello, Karen. Welcome to Imperia Connects.
Thank you so much for having me here, Madhvi. It's been a pleasure to be on a platform where I can share what I really love.
So to begin with, I would like to know more about your journey. It's quite inspiring, from education to coaching and now having arts-based therapy for parenting. How this whole process has evolved you as a person?
Well, I've been very passionate about teaching, Madhvi. And I've always wanted to make a difference with children because I believe they are the next generation. So I started with teaching, but I realized that I don't have the skill sets. I am doing what I'm doing from intuition. तो एक बार आ जाती है कि मुझे बैठ के पढ़ाई करना है. So I started studying again. And I studied to be a parent coach because मुझे लगा वहीं पर makes most difference. अगर parents ठीक है तो बच्चा ठीक रहेगा. And then I realized कि फिर भी मुझे और कुछ करना है, to give them tools to empower the parents and children with tools, with actual effective strategies. So from there I learned arts-based therapy, and that's what I do now.
Daily basis, you might be meeting many parents, but they are not aware of arts-based therapy. How do you make them aware of it, and how do you tell them the importance of arts-based therapy?
Well, first is the concept of therapy. They need to know whether their child or they personally, as parents, need therapy. Which means that let's start with the arts-based part of it. If in homes we can introduce arts, the various art forms, and we teach parents to listen to their child through the art form, it helps a lot. Convincing them to come for therapy is a secondary issue. Just listening to your child through the art forms makes a huge difference. Problem क्या होती है? What is the biggest pain point in homes? According to you, where does that start? Where there is a problem between parent and child? Communication. तो मैं वहीं से चालू हो जाती है. So the first thing to do is to teach them to learn to use art forms.
You speak to parents and then...
Yes. In schools, when we do workshops, even in online we do various workshops, the idea is to give you various forms of arts. Art में सिर्फ क्या आ जाती है दिमाग में?
Painting आता है. First तो सबके दिमाग में painting है.
सबके दिमाग में painting आ जाती है. Painting, drawing. लेकिन उसके अलावा बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं. There is sculpture. और sculpture माने could be pottery and it can be as simple as अपना गेहूं का आटा रोटी बनाते बनाते उसको भी दे सकते हैं. हम लोग तो वहीं से बड़े हो गए.
Correct.
Yeah. So we can do a lot of things. Music is there, and today आजकल के बच्चे तो reels बनाते हैं वहीं भी. We can use that too. Yes.
So how parents can communicate with the children when they start working on art-based therapy?
Okay.
So how the communication improves when they start using arts as a therapy?
Okay. So the first thing we need to understand is communication shuts down because we don't feel safe.
Okay.
ठीक है. तो थे हमारे पास एक बच्ची just 9. कोविड के टाइम पे बहुत कुछ होता था. There was this whole too many people in the house, too many people wanting different things. Like a husband, a father needs his silence. The mother is too tired with all the things that she has. Earlier she used to have at least those 2 hours when the child used to be out. Abhi wo nahi hai. Dada dadi ko sab kuch chahiye. Everyone needs something. So the child shut down. To understand why the child is shutting down, one of the things that the child was doing was we created clay. Clay से बनाया what are you worried about. तो एक worry monster बनाया, because बच्चे को वही आता है ना creativity में, monsters, परी, वहीं पर. So they made a monster. अच्छे से बड़ी बड़ी आँखें, वो कान, ये वो. But she didn't create a mouth. तो इसे क्या हुआ, लाइक आई मीन नहीं कुछ फ़ायदा नहीं मम, कुछ फ़ायदा नहीं. लाइक बोल नहीं सकती है. क्यों नहीं बोल सकती है? फ़ायदा ही नहीं, कोई सुनने वाला है ही नहीं. बट बिकॉज वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ क्ले, she was able to express, because she didn't feel that I'm talking about myself. She felt I'm talking about ये कठपुतली, ये मूर्ति, this puppet. So it was easier to talk. So when you're working with parents, the first thing you work with communication is get that worry outside you. Get the child to do something outside. When you do something outside, it's easier to talk. Much easier to talk, much easier to communicate. And that helps a lot.
I would like to know more about your workshop process. Like, I'm sure parents are also present and the child is also present during these workshops.
We do different workshops.
Okay.
So one is only for parents, then one is for the parent and child together. So when you're doing parent and child together, what happens is that you have a space in which you give an activity for both. तो एक समझो we keep a, like let's take painting because that's something which is very easy. एक पेपर रखा दो, you start painting, एक टाइमर रखो, उसके बाद मैं start painting. Now what you had in mind, and silence. So what you had in mind, I don't know. लेकिन आ रहा है इस बार. And then you look at it and say, अरे लेकिन I wanted this, but something else turned out. Is it nice? Yes, it's pretty. Then we start talking about the art. कैसा लगा when what you wanted didn't happen, लेकिन फिर भी जो हुआ अच्छा हुआ.
So I just to clarify this, like say this canvas is one canvas which is shared by parents and child both, and first the child or maybe parent draws and then other person has to continue the painting.
You take turns.
Oh,
you take
lovely.
turns. So what happens is you are waiting to see what is happening.
Yeah.
There's an anticipation, there's an
Correct.
expectation.
Yeah.
ममा क्या करे या पापा करे. If there are more people, passing the parcel होते थे, वही तो कर लो.
True.
So you pass the paper on. I started, you started, she started, he started. And then you pass the paper. And then you watch what evolves. And then you talk about how does it feel when what you wanted has not turned out. But something beautiful has turned out still. So it changes your emotional resilience. It changes your ability to actually accept the uncertainty of life. And yet, very, very subtly, you are able to calm yourself and say, okay, there's a waiting. See, even this, बच्चों में जो instant gratification होती है ना,
Yeah, they need
that also calms down.
Yeah.
Because now I've got to wait for you to finish before I can start. बहुत सारी चीज़ें आ जाती है very subtly, जो भाषण में नहीं होती है.
So you also help them to understand what kind of arts child may be interested, or maybe like, you know, let's say painting, like just we did painting, but child might not be interested in painting, maybe interested in something else. So how the communication, or maybe how parents can understand this, you know, drive, because musician ka bachcha hai to he wants that child to become a musician, like, you know, that way.
Okay, so when we are looking at this, understand that there are so many modalities to art.
Yeah.
Yes. Now the point is that ये जो हम कर रहे हैं, it's not teaching you the technique of music or the technique of art. So it's not an art class, it's not a drawing class, it's not a music class, it's not a pottery class. It is something that helps you to express yourself. So now the parent has to step back. वो जो मेरे दिमाग में था कि मेरा बच्चा, like you said very truly, that I am so good at music, my child has to be good at music.
Correct.
लेकिन I am not teaching my child music. What I'm teaching my child is to express herself through music.
True.
So I start, like say for example, the same thing that we are doing with paper and paint. तो मैंने, now you respond without talking.
Oh, this is, oh. Yeah.
So what is happening is we are talking through sign, through music. And this, if you realize, there's something happening inside you. कि मैं बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, फिर भी we are communicating.
Yeah.
And
And
if
I'm
you,
also trying to understand.
Exactly. You're trying to see what is happening. Can you imagine if we did it on a regular basis? The rapport we share, the understanding of what is not said would be so much better. The freedom that I have to talk to you will be so much easier because now I'm not intimidated कि सही words चुनना है, कुछ भी कर दिया.
Yeah.
It helps build the communication. in
And
that sense.
also, one thing I observe is like follow. Like
Yes.
you, like, you know, when you did something, I was trying to follow you. And then next time I followed it better.
Yeah,
And
absolutely.
so the development, the understanding starts developing in a very small, but in a very meaningful way. It is
Very
very deeper
meaningful.
than we actually understand.
Absolutely. So if you think you're teaching your child a particular technique, nah. We are just building what is inside to come out. And that's what it is all about.
That's interesting. But when you say arts-based therapy, there are so many forms of arts.
Yes.
And I'm not saying that you are introducing art to a child, but then when you are having this therapy, children have different notion. They have a different way of communicating or different trigger points, you know, like this triggers them, that triggers them. Same for parents, you know. So what are the challenges that you faced while giving this therapy?
So as I have studied it, there are very minimal challenges.
Okay.
But if a parent is doing the art activity, our advice is don't interpret. You are not a therapist. You are using it as an activity to observe your child.
Correct.
ठीक है, तो वहीं पर लाइन ड्रॉ करना है. If you feel there's something that you can't handle, then go to a therapist. Say, this is what I've observed in my child, and just see whether something, even if it is something that maybe my child needs, maybe he doesn't need. लेकिन पूछ लेना. Just ask. I'll give you a very simple example. You will realize it because this is beyond gender, beyond IB school में या BMC school में सभी के. Pick up a child's notebook. Rough book हम कहते थे ना.
Yeah.
Go to the last page.
Yeah.
क्या मिलता है वहाँ पर?
Full drawings.
Full drawings. Full scribblings. Full everything of that child is there.
Yeah.
आगे के पन्ने बहुत सुंदर होंगे. Neatness, ये वो वगैरह. It is the last page which will tell you about that child. So I refuse to believe that art is only for some children.
Yeah.
Every book that you get has got some scribbling. Now what I'm sharing with you is something that parents need to pay attention to because आजकल के बच्चे are exposed to a lot of things. The political scenarios, the net, the media, they're exposed to things we can't even imagine.
True.
So if I see my child drawing snakes, dark clouds, और मेरे दिमाग में यार क्या करें, कुछ तो होगा, something is wrong. नहीं, उतना मत कर लेना, उतना सोचना नहीं. You ask the child ना कि क्या किया है. Ask, learn the art of asking without presuming, thinking you know where it's coming from. So example I'll give you. Normally they say na blue is a color of sadness.
Correct.
If you didn't know sad was not an option on the spectrum at all. What else could you connect with blue?
First it's sky, obviously.
Obviously sky, तो वहाँ से infinite
Yeah,
nature, the
yeah.
vastness of it. It could be serenity, it could be peace.
Yeah.
So if I have looked at, oh she's colored so much of blue, मतलब वो बहुत दुखी मन मेरा है. How are you going to know the child?
Yeah.
So I need to ask you कि आपने बहुत सारा blue लिखा है. What does blue mean to you? What do you connect with blue? I need to learn to ask questions as a parent. It is so important. It is so important to pause and ask questions without judgment.
So how soon do you think this therapy can start for children?
Age group? You know, when we are talking about paint.
Yeah.
तो उसका मतलब होता है कि जब the child can hold crayon.
Correct.
उसके पहले हम लोग नहीं करते हैं क्या?
Yeah.
स्टोरी टेलिंग, नर्सरी राइम्स, बहुत
Yeah.
सारी चीजें करते हैं.
Yeah.
From that in itself, we can start connecting with our children because ultimately it's about connection. Connection हो तो बाकी का सब कुछ, the electricity will flow. ठीक है? I'll give you where it breaks. Then you will know where to start.
Okay.
When we are saying bye to our child because you're going to work and the child is a toddler.
Yeah.
हाँ ऑलरेडी ना तो हो जाती है कि बाय बच्चा, गिव द हग, गिव मी किसी, गिव मी, ये बहुत
Yeah.
सारे चीज होते हैं. टेक अ टीनेजर, कट टू टीनेजर, हाउ डू यू से बाय? दरवाजे से
Yeah. It's
What
too much
changed?
distance. Yeah.
what changed? The child is still the same, the needs are still the same.
Yeah.
लेकिन हमने कुछ चेंज किया है अपने बिहेवियर में. बट वी विल कम एंड से टीनेजर बिहेवियर में प्रॉब्लम है. We have not seen how we have changed our approach to the child. And that makes a huge difference.
True.
So if you are changing and you are growing with the child, if you're keeping the same emotion, so the child is growing in independence and that's great. Grow your emotional connection. As soon as the child reaches school, don't change your whole thing of मेरा अच्छा बच्चा तो क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो, क्या वो चालू हो जाती है. देखो उसने कैसा किया, आप क्यों नहीं करते हो?
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So we have changed ना.
Yeah.
तो बच्चा को थेरेपी क्यों चाहिए?
That's true. That's true.
So let us change our way.
Yeah.
And let's look at using these forms. Movement is a form of art.
True.
So when we give each other मुन्ना भाई का जादू की जप्पी,
Yeah.
समझो.
Yeah.
Isn't that a form of art? Isn't that connection? Isn't that
Yeah.
therapy? Isn't that all that's required?
Yeah.
So small things like that. Very small things. You can start from a very early age. In
Okay.
fact, there's no age to start because you have already started as a child.
Correct.
You already started.
Yeah. This like you just mentioned that comparison. Inka bacha acha kiya. So when you give this therapy and you have workshop, like do you see parents looking at others' activities in art, how they are responding, how they are doing? My child is not doing this. I remember doing these things and all that. What kind of comparison comes to their mind? Does it come actually?
Lots of comparison come. And
Oh.
comparisons come not because of the child, but because of my insecurity.
Correct.
Am I doing my best as a parent? So वो बच्चे का behavior becomes my report card.
Yeah, it's true. Actually.
So when I'm seeing it as a report card, so what is the rapport? Then that becomes a project, na?
Yeah.
So we first have to look at ourselves as parents. कि comparison कर रहे हो तो क्यों कर रहे हो? If you want to compare, tell your child based on yesterday, can you do better today? वो ठीक है. But if you're comparing your child to somebody else, think about it. Did you like your rotis being compared to your bhabhi's rotis or
Yeah.
somebody else's rotis? Not at all. Not at all. उसका गोल आ जाता है, आपका नहीं आता है. वो
Yeah.
उसका नरम होता है. You
Yeah.
don't like it at all. फिर आप क्या कहोगे? उसको ही बोल देना करने के लिए. मैं क्यों करूँ? Isn't that what our children are doing?
Hmm.
If you run a parallel, it's the same thing. लेकिन because that's a child जिसके ऊपर हमारा हक बनता है,
Hmm.
we can control. So we are trying to control that. But we are doing the same things.
Yeah.
If a person criticizes your rotis for more than 3 days in a row, you will say कल से चावल बनाएगा, no rotis. लेकिन बच्चा अगर वो कहेगा कि यार you know the thing of मैथ्स नहीं कर रहे हो, मैथ्स का समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, why are you not doing maths, why? And बच्चा says maths is my least favorite subject, मुझे मैथ्स नहीं करना है. Same
Yeah.
thing ना?
Yeah.
It's the same thing.
So their studies also improve. Is there a
Yes.
change in the way they study and grow?
What is the problem with studies is not the study.
Hmm.
See, where studies are concerned, all children have a different pace.
Correct.
Some children are slower, some children are pick up, some children do take 5 minutes and some children take 2 hours for the same. हो जाती है. As a parent, I need to pace myself and understand मेरा बच्चा कहाँ से आ रहा है. But having said that, what stops the child and what restricts and becomes an obstacle is the fact that I start diminishing my self-esteem. My image of myself comes down.
Correct.
Now it becomes not padai for marks, it becomes izzat ka sawal. Ki if I try also and I fail, then it becomes like log kya kahenge. So I don't want to try. So the very first step in using art forms is to build the child's self-esteem, build the child's image of himself. Automatically self-motivation aa jati hai.
Correct.
Yes, the kind of studies that you have to work with that separately on the case of how you know, some children work with, there are different, there's visual learning, there's kinesthetic learning by
Yeah.
doing, there's audio learning. So based on that, the parent has to figure out. But having said that, there's also so many multi-intelligence. It's not just academic.
Correct.
Some are good at music, some are good at speech,
Yeah.
linguistics.
Yeah.
You have to know what to pin up.
Yeah.
We parents need a lot of work on ourselves.
True.
And if we learn that mujhe seekhna hai, then automatically my child will be better for it. I can grow my child better. I can nurture the right things in my child.
While we were speaking, I just remember one incident. I was in college, and that time there was a new student in our college. He was from France. So for him, he wanted to learn Hindi. And he didn't know how to learn, and obviously nobody had time to teach him Hindi.
And not at that level.
That
Yes.
level, you know. So you know how we started. Like we understood his problem. Like, you know, he wants to learn, but he is not able to learn and all that. So we used to take out all Hindi headlines from newspaper, and somehow we managed to make it like a song.
Absolutely.
And then we started teaching him Hindi because he used to love Hindi films. He was very much familiar with the sound of it. So he used to watch Hindi films obviously with subtitles and all that. So that helped him to, like, you know, kind of connect with dialogues.
Correct.
Then we started with music, the songs.
Absolutely.
And then we started, like, you know, teaching him the day-to-day Hindi through making song.
So
And
you
it
use
just
an art
happened.
form.
Yeah, but it just happened unknowingly, you know.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
You use an art form without realizing you were using it.
Yeah, that's true.
Exactly. So ये designation अगर side में रखो,
Yeah.
all of us are using arts.
Yeah.
All of us are using art. And the thing is that if you use your senses, you will be able to pick the art. When you're breathing, you're aligned with breathing. When you
Correct.
hear, smell, touch, and you know what works for you. And today's children really need to get back to themselves because there's
Correct.
so much pulling them in so many different directions.
When we say about art-based therapies, this is based on creativity. But some parents don't think that they are creative or their child is creative. How do you handle the situation?
I love what you shared when you said that people feel they are not creative. ये जो हमने definition दी है ना creativity के, it has become very technical. If I'm a design, if I'm into fashion design, मतलब मैं बहुत creative हूँ. If I'm into engineering, I'm not creative. वो थोड़ी होती है. Because engineering में मुझे कुछ create करना ही है. Even if it's coding, I am creating something.
Correct.
So पहले चीज जो है कि stop thinking that you're not creative. That's a myth. That's a fallacy. You are cooking, a simple housewife. You are able to cook something. आपने कल 2 मसाले ऐड किया, आज 3 मसाले ऐड करें. That is creativity. तड़का पहले देना या बाद में देना, that's creativity.
Actually, it's an art.
Exactly,
Yeah.
exactly. लेकिन if you tell that same parent, same housewife, कि यार, you know, let us look at your child. नहीं, वो मैं नहीं कर सकती हूँ. मैं इतना creative नहीं हूँ.
Yeah.
Project नहीं कर सकती हूँ. उनके साथ खेलना, I don't know what to play with him. So when I put limitations on myself because of the definition, so describe it. Very simple. Leave that concept of creativity. I am using all the forms that I have in my hands to interact and to connect with you. It's as simple as that. As simple as that. So, for example, you were talking earlier about that the French friend of yours.
Yeah.
Okay? I'll show you where music connects in the same concept. Parents are busy, COVID time, and I'm bringing these examples of COVID because that was where the reality really hit. Okay?
Yeah.
Child's dadu passed away, and he was functional, nothing wrong with him, but just something wrong with him. Like you would see him, the parents would see him different. कि वो चुपके से बैठा है, बात करता है लेकिन फिर भी कुछ सही नहीं है.
हाँ.
You know, सब ठीक है लेकिन फिर भी सही नहीं है. You know what I'm saying? So we said, okay, ठीक है. So do you all talk about दादू? नहीं, उसको he'll feel sad. So they don't want to poke the bear. They don't want to upset him. I said, okay, ठीक है. Let's start with talking about choose a song that Dadu likes.
Oh.
Because they used to watch Hindi movies on Sundays.
Yeah.
You know how they will sit in the god mein and they will be talking. So, ठीक है. Choose a song that Dadu likes. So he picked up a song. I said, okay. So he was listening to it. He said, can we play it? I said, हाँ ठीक है, listening. And then he was moving to it.
Okay.
Just moving.
Okay.
तो ऐसे ठीक है, आपको जो भी करना
This
है
was
करो.
online session?
This was an online session.
Okay.
Many people have the fallacy that online doesn't work, but it's the ability to connect with the person on the other end.
And during COVID, it was online.
It was best that way, and that was the only way.
Yeah.
We also had the option of guiding the parent to do things
so you
in their
were
home.
seeing the child. Okay.
So here the child was kind of moving.
Moving, yeah.
So I said, ठीक है. What do you want to do? Now the question is, you ask the child, ki, what do you want to do? Do you want to move? Do you want to dance? So no, I'm okay. But then his hand started moving in this direction.
Okay.
So when his hand started moving, I mirrored. So, and I told the parents, mirror. Matlab, you know, you just said, ki,
Yeah.
I did this and I followed.
Followed you.
So
yeah.
the parents also started moving. And then from there, he went into actually getting up and dancing to that. And then he said, मुझे ना ऐसा लगता है कि दादू वहाँ बैठ के he's clapping at my dance.
So sad.
And that was such an emotional moment where he expressed grief without being what we call depressed.
Depressed, yeah.
So what they decided after that was कि चलो once in a week we will watch a movie that दादू liked.
Yeah. And also, like, I'm sure during that time it was very difficult for parents to, like, teach children about grief. It
difficult to
was
teach.
very difficult. It was
Absolutely.
very difficult. Any which ways, in day-to-day life also, it's very difficult to teach and address this elephant in the room. How do you express the grief?
Absolutely.
And every parent is also, like, very careful when this kind of emotions come. So I'm sure this therapy must be,
In fact, the best thing a parent can do
yeah.
when children come from school, what do we ask? School kaisa gaya?
Yeah.
Okay,
The
that's a
first
normal question.
Yeah.
If you change that question to what color are you feeling today?
Okay.
So yellow. Now I'm talking about color. So the child is
Yeah.
not talking about school में क्या
School
हुआ.
में क्या
So
हुआ.
खुलने की बात आ गई. Yellow क्यों? Sunshine. नहीं, not sunshine, लेकिन कुछ हुआ ही नहीं क्लास में, तो we were just bored. Okay. So from there you can keep going.
Okay.
If the child's another parent actually did that, वो जो emojis आती है ना, so they actually cut out all the emojis and they kept it in one box near the door. So the child would come in, keep the bag, wash up, and pick up from there कौन सी emoji. How did I feel in school today? So it's not, our normal thing is पढ़ाई क्या हुआ है.
Correct.
So first start here, पढ़ाई आपको आप उसके बारे में बात हो जाएगी.
Correct.
You will talk. The child will talk because now you have built a rapport, you have built a connection. So you would pick up and say, today I was very confused.
Correct.
Today I felt bad because my teacher. Why did you feel bad? Teacher was shouting at my friend. So you start from there. With teenagers, the best thing you can do is paint your emotion. Color your emotion.
Okay.
How are you feeling inside? Even right now, if you take a pen and say, how am I feeling inside? And just learn and start. Just start coloring. Start scribbling. From a scribble, it goes into color. From a color, it goes into a story. Because I put pen on paper. जो अंदर है बाहर निकला. Now I am sharing with you about the art. So I'm not feeling intimidated, exposed, vulnerable.
Yeah.
I'm talking about ये scribble के बारे में. ये art के बारे में. It flows easier.
Yeah.
To talk about something that's out. Plus now I'm aware. Oh boy, I felt so much inside. When doing the art also, it helps you to release what is inside. There's a little bit of declutter. There's a little clarity that comes.
So we are going to play a fun quiz where I will say a word and you have to tell me the first creative tool comes to your mind.
Okay.
It can be tool, it can be any art material or any art form also, but one word. Okay. So let's start with this quiz. Joy.
Nature.
Conflict.
Sculpture.
Family.
Pillow fight.
Oh my God. A rainy Sunday.
Senses. Sensory.
Healing.
Mandalas, art, Zentangles. Yes.
A tough conversation.
Puppets.
Oh. And home.
Collage. Photo
Loneliness.
collage. Loneliness. Again, sensory.
Okay.
Sensory would mean this would be music. Paint to music.
Okay.
For loneliness, paint to music.
Okay, so this was our quiz. I'm
Loved
sure
it.
many audiences actually watching this podcast or listening to it on other platforms. What do you recommend them if they want to start with arts-based therapies? Because after listening to your answer, I'm sure this is something that they can start at home with whatever tools and materials they have. They don't need to prepare for something. So how do they take the initiative and start this therapy at home?
So the first thing is, don't start therapy. You're not a therapist.
Okay, absolutely right.
But you can use all the art forms to bond, to build communication, to observe at a deeper level what's happening with your child, how you can build that rapport and create a safe space in which your children can connect with you. You can connect with them without judgment or interpretation. So, for example, we spoke about the blue.
Yeah.
If my child is scribbling in his book, or if my child is listening to, the music that I don't like, as a parent, I feel like it's too loud.
Yeah.
Kuch to chal raha hai. I don't know how he's doing. Something must be wrong.
Correct.
Don't judge. The one example I could give you with this music is ask them which word or which line or which title they connect with. And then go from there. Start your conversation from there. Music कुछ समझ में नहीं आते मुझे, लेकिन वो word से तो you can start conversation.
True.
So if they have picked up a particular line from a song and you say, okay, how does it connect with you? And especially with teenagers, pre-teenagers.
Yeah.
Start conversation from there and then you share your vulnerability ना. हमारे ज़माने में ये song मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता था, and share from there. Isn't that building communication?
Yeah.
So you build from there. Use everything in your house, anything in your house, right from the kitchen, simple thing of de-stressing when you're washing your hands. आपने लादर किया?
Yeah, that's quite fun actually.
Just wash. When you're stressed, your child is stressed.
Yeah.
Just say both of us are going to do this. Both of us are angry just now. Both of us are very angry. हम लोग 2 मिनट ले लेंगे, उसके बाद हम बात करेंगे. 2 मिनट में क्या करना है? पानी पीना है. Slowly. चाय पीना है slowly. Or wash your hands and just watch the lather going off. Try it out at home. Madhvi, try it out at home. Just watch the lather going off.
Yeah.
You feel that move from your body and you can come back to a conversation thoda sa alag. So don't be a therapist, but use all the art forms. You asked about family earlier in that.
Segment.
Can we not ask our children who are so conscious of making reels?
Yeah.
Make a reel about family और हम लोग उसके बारे में बात करेंगे. Make a reel about your favorite moment in the day. They'll be happy to join in.
Totally.
Exactly. You're coming in from their window.
Yeah.
And you're bringing them out through you. So it's always helpful. So always remember, use all these art forms. There are so many of them. Use them to build your bond, to help yourself with less judgment, more asking of questions. But don't be the therapist. For that, you need to go for professional help.
On that good note, thank you so much for coming to Imperia Connects
It's a
and
joy.
sharing your experiences. I'm sure this episode is going to help our parents and especially for parenting.
Thank you so much. It was a pleasure, a privilege to be here. I totally enjoyed the questions that you had. It shows how much you connect with your audience and you want the better for them.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for this platform.
To all our listeners, if today's conversation resonates with you, take a moment to sit down with your child, draw together, and just explore a blank canvas. You might be surprised what opens up. Stay tuned for more such conversation that helps families to grow stronger, kinder, and more connected. Until next time, stay connected with Imperia Connects.